I didn't get the phone out to video the whole process. That it was just crazy. We got what we came to get, so we're on our way back home now. We're just gonna go get some food. We'll find out then what we're gonna do next, because right now it is bad outside. It's raining hard out. So yeah. You like that? You like that?
First got red.
What's that?
I tried to do Ariel when she was trying to marry the prince, like her wedding dress, like the roses on herself.
Cause baby, now we got bad blood.
Jeeps.
Alrighty, we are here now.
Look what I say. Look why. Oh no,
All that goes in the ear.
Just going to start walking. We used to have a picnic up there. It wasn't too sunny. We went there with our cousins and my aunties and my uncles, and we had so much fun. This place is so nice to walk around. We might see lots of fish in the lake, and you can see some cute ducks. Oh, lots of birds. Yeah. No, they're fake. Stones.
Oh, yeah, they're not real, but...
Oh, look, and there's a waterfall over there.
Oh yeah, waterfall up there.
So beautiful. 2, 1, go! Okay. Go, John, run! She's winning! Okay, so there's only one way over there. So one there, another one there. So I think we just start here. Mommy, shall we go over there?
Ole a foi. Ole whainga ia o pai. I aso la I ma I whale ma oli e. A sausenga o ie kuia ele muri. Yeah, I got your shoes. Okay. Yeah, ole bridge la lea. Le ke vai mai ai. Ole bridge lea lenga whakofa ai a. Ia Romeo ma Juliet. Lenga. Wa ai le. O inga pa ua sking o Juliet. tropical. Walesimea, like you can actually have a wedding, a birthday, any special occasion. Tropical garden.
Cactus garden.
Yep. And now it's all sila mai ai. Yeah. Ka ko o mai le ku pao ngiu. I la le whare lea. O le whaikokoa le ke la kuai kokongo le i angai loka. O i la el mele le nga fai le movie vanga lea. O kau i lo le movie vanga leo le Alice in Wonderland. Ia nga. O i la le nga le ilo ai skingi. O se mea la o i la lo la au ia le la aka kou o kuai. E le la au nga ne nga lua i la lo. But I'll show you when we get there. Italian is still open. Yeah, o ila ko alua lea sa o ngai kama ia ko alua sa leoa ia Waikato yaso la. Wa liu mangu lo ngai kama ia. A mai lo fasi mai I. Chinese garden. Johnny, come here. The modernist garden. Come here, we'll go to the Italian one first. Sa iyo ako le Italian garden. O lang ay kay ki afa ikadi. Yeah, si fasingo like kami kide. What it looks like yon makwa kungu. Lea ika dia lai kele mai ki polo ma fungala au lango ese lai piko mai o my little boy is still asleep. Baby Lee. Oh, he's awake. Yeah, dela wo uma mai I le fale lea ika dia le laka ko aku le sipiko lea asainga. Yeah, we'll go kako mo mo I. Huh? Oh? Yeah. Oh wow. Beya lao kamala lai fa kang ai ka ele ai. There. Yeah, see? There you go. I know. Cool way. Yeah, lebo Just going back out now. Come out the other way, but it's too hard for the pram. Yeah, the garden's huge, man. Oh, yeah, that's new. There's a swimming pool there. That was never there before. Okay. Yeah, wa uma mai sainga le la o aku ile. Fere la o ai. Oh, this is the kala. Oh, I think it is still the Chinese. Yeah, le la la o mai le lo po ferme le o mai. Oh, there it is. Oh no. What is this called? Yeah, le la fai sing malo lunga wa. Wa le asore. Or can you fight to what? Yeah. So if I see you, Falesu. Falesu, come here. How's your day so far? Having a good day? How are you having a good day so far? Yeah. Chinese garden? Italian? Cool. You, hon?
My highlights for the day is just walking around the garden.
Yeah, you see that? So that's why some of them were closed. That's cool. Oh, wow, that's nice. Okay. So yeah, facing a me ayola uli. So you could what, you know, the plan is if we're gonna carry on to go do some shopping or just go home. That's Hamilton Gardens for you. So you're like facing me
Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.